Alexa, what time is it?
10:52 a.m.
10:52 a.m.
Hey Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Hey Alexa, what's the news today?
Here's your news.
Robert Mueller's report on interference.
Perhaps hoping no one would notice. You're all caught up.
Hey Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, turn off living room light.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, what's 5,767 divided by 4.2?
1,373.09.
5,767 divided by 4.2 is 1,373.0952.
Hey Alexa, broadcast to living room, come downstairs.
Announcing.
Come downstairs.
They'll be right down.
Alexa, how many calories are in a banana?
One banana has 105 calories. Other customers have also asked, how many calories are in an orange? Would you like to know the answer?
No. Hey Alexa, ask Fitbit how I'm doing.
You have taken about 2,200 steps, and I don't see any active minutes data for you yet today. Keep moving your feet and you'll get there.
Hey Alexa, what's the weather today?
The current weather is 71 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
It's pretty nice out today.
Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 60 degrees.
Alexa, subscribe to Lifehacker on YouTube.
Playing top result.
No. Alexa, stop. You'll have to subscribe yourself on your phone. Thanks for watching.